Prepare to unleash the power of the dragon. Welcome to Iron Fist, Marvel Rivals, where martial arts mastery meets mystical Kai. Join Lin Lai, the latest immortal Iron Fist, in this thrilling adventure. Iron Fist, also known as Lin Lai, is a master of Chinese martial arts who wields the power of the dragon Xu Lao. As the protector of Kunlun, he strikes his foes with the grace and force of a soaring dragon. In Marvel Rivals, you'll experience his journey from a young martial artist to the legendary immortal Iron Fist. Iron Fist's arsenal is as powerful as it is diverse. Jeet Kune Do is Iron Fist's primary attack in the Marvel Rivals game. This ability allows him to strike the targeted enemy with 5 consecutive hits, each delivered at high speed. The first 4 strikes each deal 32 damage, while the 5th strike deals 55 damage. The intervals between the first 4 strikes are 0.45 seconds, and the interval between the 4th and 5th strike is 0.67 seconds. The maximum distance for the strikes is 3 meters, and the maximum pull-in distance is 6 meters. Each successful hit reduces the cooldown of Dragon's defense by 1 second. Iron Fist's Yat Ji Chung Kun ability allows him to dash forward to pursue the targeted enemy and unleash a flurry of attacks. This melee ability deals 19 damage per strike over a duration of 5 seconds, with an attack interval of 7 strikes per second. The range of the attacks is 3 meters, and the dash speed is 12 meters per second without a target. The dash distance without a target is 3 meters, and the maximum pull-in distance is 11 meters. This ability is perfect for closing the gap and delivering rapid, powerful strikes to enemies. Living Kai is Iron Fist's ultimate ability in the Marvel Rivals game. When activated, Iron Fist becomes imbued with the power of Kai, significantly boosting his speed, damage, and attack range. This ability lasts for 12 seconds and provides a 30% damage boost and a 20% movement speed boost. Additionally, it grants a 100% range boost to Jeet Kune Do and Yat Ji Chung Kun, and an 80% cooldown reduction to Yat Ji Chung Kun. During this time, Iron Fist can deliver stronger punches and reduce the cooldown of Dragon's defense, making him an unstoppable force on the battlefield. Kunlun Kick is one of Iron Fist's abilities in the Marvel Rivals game. This movement-based damage ability allows Iron Fist to dash forward and deliver a flying kick when hitting an enemy or reaching full range. The initial kick deals 30 damage, and the second kick deals between 35 to 70 damage, with the maximum damage achieved when the target is at 50% health. The ability has a cooldown of 12 seconds, a dash speed of 40 meters per second, and a dash distance of 12 meters. Kunlun Kick is highly versatile, serving as a gap closer, an escape tool, or a way to finish off enemies with low health. Harmony Recovery is one of Iron Fist's abilities in the Marvel Rivals game. This ability allows Iron Fist to cross his legs and channel Kai, slowly gaining bonus health. The ability heals Iron Fist at a rate of 100 health per second for a duration of 3 seconds. Additionally, any excess healing is converted into bonus health, providing Iron Fist with increased survivability. Harmony Recovery has a cooldown of 12 seconds, making it a valuable tool for sustaining Iron Fist during intense battles.
Time to heal.
Crane Leap is one of Iron Fist's abilities in the Marvel Rivals game. This ability allows Iron Fist to perform up to 3 consecutive jumps while airborne, enhancing his mobility and evasion. Each jump has a cooldown of 1 second per charge, allowing Iron Fist to quickly reposition himself during combat or evade enemy attacks. Crane Leap is a valuable tool for maintaining agility and staying out of harm's way, making Iron Fist a formidable and elusive opponent on the battlefield. Dragon's Defense is one of Iron Fist's abilities in the Marvel Rivals game. This ability allows Iron Fist to assume a defensive stance with the boost of Kai, blocking incoming attacks and gaining 30% damage reduction. The damage taken during Dragon's Defense is converted into bonus health once the ability ends. The ability lasts for 1 second and has a cooldown of 15 seconds, which is reduced to 3 seconds during Living Kai. The conversion rate is 1.5 damage to bonus health, with a maximum of 150 damage to max health conversion. Additionally, Iron Fist can parry almost any attack in the game while under the effects of Dragon's Defense, even from behind. This includes certain ultimates such as Iron Man's Invincible Pulse Cannon. After using Dragon's Defense, Iron Fist's primary fire temporarily changes to Yatji Chung Kun, increasing his attack speed and allowing him to automatically lock onto enemies while attacking. Wall Runner is one of Iron Fist's passive abilities in the Marvel Rivals game. This ability allows Iron Fist to run horizontally along walls, enhancing his mobility and evasion during combat. The movement speed while running along walls is 9 meters per second. Wall Runner is particularly useful for navigating the battlefield quickly and avoiding enemy attacks, making Iron Fist a highly agile and elusive opponent. Kai Absorption is one of Iron Fist's passive abilities in the Marvel Rivals game. This ability allows Iron Fist to absorb the Kai of defeated enemies, granting him bonus health. Each time Iron Fist assists in taking down an enemy, he gains 50 bonus health. This passive ability enhances Iron Fist's survivability, making him more resilient in prolonged battles. Dragon's Chill is Iron Fist's team-up ability in the Marvel Rivals game, which activates when he is paired with Luna Snow. This ability channels the Kai of Shu Lao into Luna Snow, transforming her ice power into a Kai-infused frosty ring that radiates from her. The ring can knock back enemies with chilling damage and applies a slowing effect while simultaneously healing her allies. Additionally, Dragon's Chill provides a passive team-up bonus damage of 15%, making Iron Fist and Luna Snow an unstoppable duo on the battlefield. Lin Lai inherited the legendary sword of Fu Shi, becoming the hero known as Swordmaster. However, this was just the beginning of his epic journey. Eventually, he found himself in the mystical city of Kunlun, where the dragon Shu Lao bestowed upon him the power of the immortal Iron Fist. The time stream entanglement has caused great upheaval across numerous magical realms. As wars between the gods erupt, Lin Lai must defend the sanctuary of Kunlun from those who seek to tarnish its majestic splendor. Join Iron Fist in Marvel Rivals. Master his abilities, strategize with your team, and dominate the arena with the mystical martial artist, Iron Fist.